Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at the run-up. Has it begun on Bitcoin? So, what are we seeing in the price action? We are at $86,000. Can this thing continue to push it higher and higher, up and up? Well, so let's talk about all of that in this video. Now, definitely before going further, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. I have done, excuse me, a couple of videos over the last couple of days as well, and I have talked about how buyers have been found in the last video that I did at 80,000 around. We did see a lot of buying volume and a lot of buyers step in at that place, and then thereafter we are seeing some structure hold. Now this is also coming in at a closer to a very important level. Now it doesn't have to be precisely perfect if there is definitely buyer sitting ahead, but 73,000 to $75,000. We've dipped as low as $80,000, so just 5,000 short of the next target. But the point is that we are seeing, as I said, because we have to see the price action, and we did see early on at 80,000 a lot of buyers step in. We are seeing a continuation, a day of a candle stabilization as well after that, and then a continuation to the upside today. Now, this as if we run up. Now, expectations for a V-shaped recovery is always very less, okay? We usually see a confirmation of a zone, and that gives the extra confidence to many other buyers as well to step in the game. Okay, yeah, there could be a V-shaped recovery as well, but the likelihood of that is always less than compared to when we receive a second confirmation as well. So this is technically also even just a rebound right now. It's not gonna be like most likely, it's not going to be most likely that we just go like that now, right? But what is important here to see is that a base formation. We are seeing a lot of indications of base formation here. A lot of buyers, a good wick as well, huge volume as well, and next candle stabilization and a push up right now. So we do have $89,000 now, still a resistance. We are technically still in the downtrend, guys, okay? We are still in the downtrend. This is technically a possibly right now a rebound building, okay? But it is needed such type of price action to eventually give us a confirmation that that was the base, right? So what we want to see from here is we got to get above $89,000 as soon as possible. This candle, if we do that, that's awesome. That actually gives us a more of a uptrend formation already. If this candle comes to 89,000 but slows down, it's a rebound only so far, and then we'll see if it breaks out the next candle or if it comes down and give us another confirmation. But I do think we do have a bottom in Bitcoin at $80,000, okay? And I do think we'll see a base formation here if we are not getting a V-shaped recovery. Now let's go get to the weekly interval as well. Definitely we are in the downtrend, nothing has changed in that regards, but the point is that we are seeing some early indications of rebounds forming with a good indication of base formation, as I just explained. And what it is that now we need to see those other elements build up, right? Definitely if you are trading it, then you would have already taken the rebound, at least the trade, with the stop loss around like 79 to 78,000. I did mention about this on yesterday on my Patreon as well, for the members, that there are a couple of things on Bitcoin, and there's another instrument actually that we might be looking at the bottom here. So anyhow, now 89,000 above, we push above that, that's great if we can do that. So far things are looking good. You have to take it as a rebound, but as I said, these are all good early indications that Bitcoin may be showing us some stabilization. Now definitely you don't want to get too ahead of yourself as well. I don't think we're going back to 126 right away. As I said, we need to see extra confirmation. There's also likelihood we go up somewhere here, fizzle down, come back down, and maybe make another lower low. This could be a month-long cycles of bearishness. The point is that what I'm mentioning here is that you have to take the opportunity of a first start of a rebound and then eventually see what the price action does. And as long as it continues to hold, this rebound can very well turn into a longevity of a proper uptrend as well. Okay, so it's all about how this price action in coming days forms. Yes, it will take days and maybe still take weeks, okay, for a proper, really proper, strengthful if bullish structure has to form. But it's a good start right now. V-shaped recovery may be possible, but likelihood of that happening is less. But we don't usually see those happening in like these heavy assets. So anyways, that's all I had for you guys in this video, and with that, we'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.